Hey, how's it going? So if you watch my channel at all, you probably know which creek I'm at. I kind of come to this creek a lot during the summer. So today I'll be using, the same old little Texas rigged size 4 hook with little crawls. I don't really like fishing a net rig out here. I just get hung up all the time. But hopefully I catch a lot of fish and y'all enjoy this video. There's one. Oh, it's a good one. Finally, I got on a fish. Oh, it's a really pretty decent one. I wanted to get a picture of you, dude. Ooh. Well, good one for this creek. Just stop. Just stop, dude. Let me. You're making yourself bleed, man. This is the first I fished. Actually, I fished a lot of water. Well, it ain't that. It actually just put up a good fight. It ain't really that big, but I fished a lot of water coming up from here. The creek is very low, so I'm just going to really focus on pools because I didn't see any bass or hardly any bluegill in these little skinny stretches. So I'm just going to focus on the pools today. So at least I know I have a strategy now. Thanks for eating now. Thanks for eating, bud. There, finally I got one. I was getting tons of little bites. It's just a bunch of bluegill, and oh, this one's a good one. Man, if I had a stringer, you would go on it. But I'm just fishing for fun today. I'm surprised at the quality of the bluegill in this creek. They're very good. Like, look at that. That's a really good bluegill. There's one. Oh, another bluegill. Oh, this one's a green sunfish. Of the sunfish variety, but not a bluegill. Pretty guy. Look at that. Pretty orange on him. And tails. I caught this one right next to a little turkey track. I don't see a dot behind it. It's probably a little hen. There's a couple little tracks, but they're not really easy to tell. Wait, here's one more. Yep. I think this is a little gobbler came walking through here. There's one. Oh, another bluegill. I guess today is going to be a bluegill day instead of a bass day. Maybe I should have brought my stringer. Because look at this dude. Saw a little bluegill. Oh, what's it? Well, I got pulling. Another good bass. Come here, dude. There we go. Yeah, this one's picture worthy. This is a really good bass out of this creek. Oh, stop. As soon as I get my thumb in. Ah, there we go. Man, these teeth are sharp. All right. Let me get a little picture of this dude and I'll release him. All right, got a little picture of him for my thumbnail for the video. So he's been out of the water for a little bit. Let me, got my GoPro camera on. Let me revive him. Got your tail wiggling. Ready to go? Oh, there he goes. Yeah. All right. Got one. What is it? A little bass? A little bass. Quit it. Whoa, stop. Just chill, dude. I ain't eating you. Just fishing for fun today. Just fishing for fun. Oh, stop. All right. Come on. All right, there you go. You want to go? There's one. Finally, something nibble on it. Oh, it's a longyear. First one of the day. So this is probably what? Bass, green sunfish, bluegill, and longyear. So this is my 4th species today. Pretty little dude. Thanks for eating, bud. Okay, I got something good. What is this? Oh, I hope of another longyear. No, it's a green sunfish. But he put up a fight. He is pretty though. But sometimes I can just get way too many of these. But he got some pretty black spots on him. Oh, stop. Hopefully I didn't hurt you. Look at those little black spots on his back. Pretty little fish. Is that a fish? Oh, it's another. Oh, what I got? Pretty good little bass. About the same size as the last one I caught. Maybe just a little bit bigger. Oh, stop. Yeah, he is bigger, but not by much. Oop. This is about the biggest they get out in this creek, but still a solid little fish. Eat it. Eat it. Come on. What if he comes back? What if he's right there? There he is. He was right there. I saw him come up and eat it. That is so cool. I love doing that. That is, you just can't beat that. When you see a fish bite your own lure, that's so awesome. There he is. He nipped at it a couple times, but he was a little small. He had to give a minute to get it in his mouth. Ooh, stop, stop, stop. Thanks for eating, bud. There he is. Oh, no, come back. Okay. Came back and got it. Come here. Another good bass. Come here. Oh, stop. 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 Oh, stop, dude. Feisty little thing. And their teeth are always so sharp. All they eat is probably crawfish. Another solid little bass. Dang. He was angry. There he is. I felt something nibbling on this thing. It's a big old bluegill. Finally, he came up right to where I was at and ate it. Man, I think this is the biggest one I caught today. Yep, biggest one I caught. Solid little bluegill. There's one. Finally, I've been casting up here for a minute. Usually a good bass sits right here, but I guess it was just this one today. He was right up in that current. Stop, don't put a hook in me, don't. All right. There you go. He was literally right there in it. Oh, stop. Oh, don't put a hook in me, dude. Don't put a hook in me. I'm getting this thing out. All right. Good little creek bass. Thanks for eating, bud. Oh, dang. See, he comes back. There he is. Come here. He bit it one time. I wonder if he ruined the bait. It was already kind of messed up. Saw a little creek bass. Oh, nope. Oh, there he goes. All right, he wanted to go away. Quick release. All right, well, this is where I usually stop. I don't really go up any further than this, so I want to start fishing back down. There's one. Ate the little worm. Oh, no, he came off. Dang. Oh, a bass just came out for it. Right underneath that rock. I wonder if he comes back. Oh, I think he bit it. I think he bit it. There he is. There he is. That's so, oh, I saw him eat it too. I love doing that. And I fished, I did fish right there. So it's always, like I came up, so I always throw a lure back, like a different lure. Like right now I got a worm on, so he came up and ate the little worm. When I caught that bluegill by that rock, I was using a crawfish. So it's always worth switching up your lures, because you don't know what you're gonna catch walking back down. Oh, that's a good one. I wonder if that's the same fish I caught earlier. No, it's better. Oh man, I got to swap the picture. It's a really good one. Dang. You know what's crazy? It's the same spot I caught the other bass where I took the picture of. That's crazy. Oh, he got into it good. It's not really deep in them, but it's just right there. I'm gonna have to get the pliers out. Now that I kind of got a good little look at him, he's not really that big or big than the other fish I've been catching. So I'm not gonna swap him for the thumbnail, but he is a solid little fish and he put up a good fight. So here you go, dude. Oh, just had to splash me in the face. How's it going? So I hope this audio comes out. I've been waiting for like the cars to kind of stop passing, but it's looking like they're not holding up. It seems like to be a pretty busy day, but I caught a ton of good bass today and a lot of good bluegill. So it was an awesome day to come out here and creek fish. So hopefully y'all enjoy this video and watch more videos that I post.